going?
Right.
It came off?
Yep.
What? Wait.
SOS.
Right.
Why did it came off?
Oh, here we go. Oh no, my dear, there's years and years of neglect, I think.
For all the drive? For all the bumps?
Hey. It's just a little funky. It's a little too excited.
Exactly. You're bad.
Okay. I get it.
Watch out in there. Ay, dula pa
Oh
din siya.
yeah.
That's satisfying.
Yeah. Not really. What kind of song? And they really like whip me back with no bats. They just kind of like they just hit me back. You know?
Indian reservation, that's way too confusing for me. Yeah, it all fits in the line. The thing about these little trips is you can discover all of this stuff.
Lapit na kami sa Colorado. Ito na siya. Welcome, Colorado.
There.
Skoy. Bale, oy.
Oh, sorry, my dear.
Huh?
I'm actually going pretty slow. I thought I should speed up on that one next time.
It bounced me.
I'm sorry, my dear. I didn't mean to balance you. I gotta look at this one more time real quick.
Huh?
I gotta look at this one more time real quick. It bothers me.
Oh, what is it? Your beep, your
Yeah.